IFRS versus US GAAP, key differences explained simply. Are you confused between IFRS and US GAAP? Want to understand the key differences without all the accounting jargon? In this video, we'll break it down in a simple and easy way.
Let's get started.
IFRS stands for International Financial Reporting Standards. It is used in over 140 countries, including the United Kingdom, India, and most of Europe. US GAAP stands for United States Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. It is used only in the United States. IFRS is governed by the IASB, International Accounting Standards Board. US GAAP is governed by the FASB, Financial Accounting Standards Board. Now, here's one of the major differences. IFRS is principle-based, meaning it provides general guidelines and allows professional judgment. US GAAP is rule-based, meaning it follows detailed rules and structured guidance. Let's now look at some of the key differences between the two standards. First, inventory valuation. IFRS allows FIFO and weighted average methods. It does not allow LIFO, last in, first out. US GAAP allows FIFO, weighted average, and LIFO. Second, development costs. IFRS allows development costs to be capitalized if certain conditions are met. Under US GAAP, development costs must be expensed as incurred. Third, revaluation of assets. Under IFRS, companies can revalue their property, plant, and equipment at fair value. But under US GAAP, revaluation is not allowed, only historical cost is used. Fourth, impairment loss reversal. IFRS allows the reversal of impairment losses if the asset recovers value in the future. US GAAP does not allow any reversal of impairment. Fifth, extraordinary items. IFRS does not allow extraordinary items to be shown separately in financial statements. But US GAAP does. They are classified separately from regular income. Next, revenue recognition and lease accounting. Both IFRS and US GAAP now follow a similar 5-step model for recognizing revenue. In lease accounting, both standards now require companies to capitalize most leases on the balance sheet. Let's quickly summarize. IFRS is more flexible and used internationally. It is principle-based and allows more judgment. US GAAP is more strict, detailed, and only used in the United States. However, both standards are slowly moving closer in areas like revenue recognition and lease accounting. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand the differences between IFRS and US GAAP, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Comment below which standard you use or study. We'd love to hear from you.